She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see.
I really wanted to make a Valentine's Day crafty project, so I made this potion bottle first. It came out so cute. The full tutorial is on my Instagram, but if you don't know what I'm talking about, check out this clip.
Hello, ladies. Love potions, eh?
Which brings me to today's objective, which is let's make a dress for this purse. I've seen Babydoll dresses get pretty popular this year, but I wasn't quite sure if it was right for me because I thought I might look more like this. But look, envision it with me. Babydoll dress, puff sleeves, a beret, some cute makeup, maybe a pink wig. I might have bought a pink wig. I most definitely bought a pink wig. So all that styled with this Amortentia potion purse, I think would look really cool actually. I think I found a pretty good pattern on Etsy, so I'll just have to print that out. It's a little bit oversized, but I think I could tweak the measurements. I like that slim fit. I also have a ton of pink fabric. Look at this. Look at this. I don't even know where I got it from. Life leads you to bolts of fabric somehow. Let's print this pattern and see what we're working with. I've got two puff sleeves. I kind of changed the pattern up of the bust a little bit. It was originally this like U neckline, which I don't really want. I want it more like this. Now for the back pieces, I wasn't sure if I was going to use a different kind of fabric, which is why I have this seam in the back, but oh well, we'll just piece it up together. And this is just a really long rectangle, which is going to be the skirt. We're going to gather it up and it's going to be perfect. And this is why I need a full-on Joann's in my house for spontaneous projects such as this. I don't have pink threads, so this lilac will have to do. I stitched it up in like seconds, and I'm just trying it on for the first time. I think it looks pretty good. It is supposed to be very loose fitting, but this is a bit too loose for me. So I'm just gonna take it in on the side, just like that. It's super comfortable. I like it. All right, let's make it tighter all around. Everything's been taken in just a smidge. I think it looks nice from the back. The only problem is this front area. You see that? Oh, nah, can't be having that. This is too like, I won't be able to wear it if it's that loose, okay? I think what I'm gonna do is actually take it in like that. Give it a little detail. So I think it'll be all right. So much better. I actually really love that detail. Time for some puff sleeves. It's been a hot minute since I've done a puff sleeve. And on myself, maybe not ever. Let's read the math. Pull it out like this, cut like that. So you have a lot of extra strings. Take one side of the string and pull it. It's looking cute. And we have, oh, it's the back. Terrible reveal. All right, we've got a sleeve. Ooh. Oh, that's cute. That's cute. That's a nice puff. I'm gonna try it on. I absolutely love it. Love it, love it. I'm turning on my camera so you can see my gathering face because it is super focused. The camera angle here is excellent. I am loving the way it's turning out. It's adorable. And now we gather forever and ever. While it has already gathered a lot, it's not gonna be enough. So you leave a lot of extra string at the end and then you just pull one of those strings and then you start gathering. Gather. Look at all of this gathering. Ta-da! I feel like a little cottage princess. You like You like those pants? It's quite heavy. Like, this is pretty heavy. This feels kind of like a scuba kind of fabric, but because of that, it's pulling this down, so I gotta add the facing before I wear it too much. I don't want it to stretch out. I'm definitely gonna have to make the skirt a bit shorter so it can be just a little bit cuter. To make a great maternity dress one day. I have my facing here, which took entirely too much work to figure out. That's what happens when you alter the pattern too much. I'm so confused. Attaching facing, this part's boring. I just turned on the camera and realized I wasn't wearing makeup. Hold on, let's do this again. All right, that's more like it. I may have stayed up a bit too late watching Downton Abbey. Yes, I am late to the party, but yes, it is very good. All right, but enough distractions. Today we are going to be finishing the baby dress. So this is what I was up to yesterday, adding some elastic to that sleeve. It ain't that cute, so I'm gonna be rolling it under instead. I feel like whenever I'm lost, hand stitching will always save the day. Like, no matter what, you just do a little bit of hand stitching, boom, it's magic. When in doubt, hand stitch it out. Now with the facing, I attached it and I did a stay stitch, but it still wasn't quite staying inside, so I had to make it shorter with my serger. Then after that, I decided to do a top stitch just to make sure it would not budge. I had my doubts about it, but look how perfect it looks now. Ooh, Malin here, joining the ranks of cottagecore cuties. The last thing that I'm gonna do, oh my god, okay wait, hold on, I don't even know where to begin on this. But look at the sleeves. And you can't even tell where I've tacked the sleeve, so that's, I love that even more. This look is even adorable with these fuzzy house slippers. And especially if I wore these. For my hem, I don't want my stitches to show because I'm a bit odd like that. I just think it'll look cute without stitches. Is that a weird thought? I'm using this heat bond. It's like a sticky little glue thing. You just go like that, you press it with an iron, and perfect.
No worries, please get back early. Head out with champagne and dresses and let's get girly. No worries, please get back early. Head out with champagne and dresses and let's get girly. It's some booze, fuel teen.
Oh my gosh, you guys, it came out so good. I'm so happy to have this new addition to my wardrobe, and I can't wait to make it in tons of other colors. I hope you all enjoyed watching this video. I hope you guys try it out too. Please like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!